powered cleaning. Ecovacs DEEBOT X9 Pro Omni. Exclusive Osmo roller mopping technology. Stains removed by the ultimate mopping dominance. With the instant self-washing structure, no more cross-contamination. Fueled by the Super Boost battery, energizing the first ever blast solution. Powerful suction effortlessly extracts dust or even larger particles. Our clean anti-tangle side brush, paired with cyclone-directed anti-tangle main brush. Together, they ignite the third generation of zero-tangle anti-tangle system. Dual-powered flagship robotic vacuum cleaner. DEEBOT X9 Pro Omni. Blast the dirt, roll to shine.
Alexa, turn on Tapo.
Tapo.
Ain't no speed limit on this road. Can't nothing out there stop me. Ain't no telling how fast I go. Hold up for speed and watch me. Some people doubt, can't box me out. I'm about to take off.